whatever they want to do with their money, looking out for themselves. So, I just seen a post from Erica Ward, and the post says, stop pouring into cups that leave yours empty. And I'm going to take that a little bit further, because that is true. Because some people selfish and greedy. I'm going to take it a step further, and I'm going to say this. Stop pouring into cups where people drink all their shit up and then come around to you for you to fill them up. Let me give you a prime example of that. People that spend all their money up balling, doing whatever they want to do with their money, looking out for themselves, having fun. And then when it's time for their light bill to be paid, then they want to reach out to you to pay your light bill. Now, I'm going to need you to go back to the club where you was last weekend and pay that light bill. I'm going to need you to go back to where you was over the weekend, all the places where you was eating, your little vacation, you know, all that little stuff y'all do for social media. Don't come to me begging for nothing because you done drunk all of your shit up out of your cup. Point blank. And yes, I curse because I mean it. Because some of y'all just need to get the effing point. Like, grow up.